Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Last video I bought this. It's a Morganstar Gigaware K28 mechanical keyboard that I bought from Lazada. And today I'm gonna try to review this.
So this is our keyboard before it is being plugged into the computer. Let's turn this around. I don't know what you were expecting, but that looks just like any other ordinary keyboard, but inverted. Let's go back to the front. Much better. So the USB, well, it looks like an ordinary USB. It is a standard USB. So yeah, but the cable looks good. It's braided. Means it's much more sturdy than the usual cable. Pretty nice. Let's look where this is connected to. It's attached to the keyboard. It's not detachable or something. Well, what can you expect? It looks pretty good though. Let's put these cables away and let's see what else came with the box. It's a wrist rest. It ain't padded or anything. It's just plastic. But hey, some of the keyboards don't even have wrist rests. Let's try to put this in. Of course, you have to attach this at the back of the keyboard. And there's specific slots there for the wrist rest. Just squeeze and push. Do it again. Squeeze and push. Now it's flappy. Let's turn this around. Listen to that. It's snappy. This comes with a tool to help you remove your keypad and to prevent your fingers from getting destroyed as you try to remove them manually. Simply do it like this. Pull. There you go. Your keypad is out. It looks like a keypad. And as advertised, it has a blue switch. Now it would be weird to type without a keypad, so let's try putting this back on. Oh, there you go. It's back. Let's clean this up before we turn the lights off so that we can plug this bad boy in. Wow. The startup sequence looks good. Pressing the function key and the SL key will switch between the 10 light effects that come with this keyboard, and pressing the function and the up and down arrow keys will change the light intensity, whereas the left and right arrow keys will change the light speed. While the keys feel solid and the home key is readily accessible, I'm gonna shut my mouth now so that you can listen to how this keyboard actually sounds. The first effect is a full-on keyboard light-up. And as mentioned earlier, the up and down arrow keys paired with the function key would change the light intensity. I actually don't know the names for these effects, so I'm just gonna wing it. Next effect, I'm gonna call fingerprint, because it sort of leaves fingerprints as I type. The next effect, I don't know what it is called, but this is a good effect to demonstrate the left and right arrow keys paired with the function key. And as you see here, it changes the light speed or the effect speed. The next effect is actually called the gaming mode. It isolates the keys used by most gamers like the WASD, the arrow keys, and the escape key. The next few effects are actually the keyboard just showing off to the world that it can produce multiple colors such as this. Anyway, this is effect number 5. It's alternating between keyboard rows. Looks pretty good actually. Let's move on to the next effect. Effect number 6. Slow this down. Speed this up. Nice. Let's move on to the next effect. Effect number 7. Now this looks similar to that old movie called Knight Rider. It has a car named Kit, and it has lights similar to this. Doo-doo-doo-doo. It also looks like our startup light-up sequence. The next effect I'm gonna call the left to right, because it lights from left to right. Let's slow this down. Speed this up. Left to right in progress. I'm gonna call the second to the last effect ripples, because it looks like ripples. Ripples, ripples, ripples wherever it goes. Where's the next effect, or the last effect, I'm gonna call splash, because I'm gonna splashes whenever I type. Splash, splash, splash.
So after a week of using this particular keyboard, it's pretty good. But remember, I am not an expert on mechanical keyboards. I just bought this because it was pretty. If you like this video, click the subscribe and the like button. And if you want to be notified, just click on the notification bell. Please feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video.